Tarunga.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Muses around the world, welcome to Deal or No Deal. Today we're not talking about money, we're talking about reading fluency, comprehension, and fun. Are you ready to play? Okay, here's the mechanics. We'll pass the ball while the music plays. When the music stops, the genius holding the ball will be our contestant, and so on and so forth. Okay? So in front of us are the 14 mysterious briefcases. Each one hides a challenge, a twist, or a fluency activity. Now here's the deal. If you open the briefcase or if you choose deal, you accept the challenge and perform it. But if you say no deal, you must choose another briefcase and place whatever challenge is inside. No escaping, Jesus. Okay. Here's the ball. Make sure the ball is going around, not only there, but all around the rooms. Got it? If I play the music and you want to dance or you want to stand up or you want to sing, you can do it freely. Freely. Okay, let's start. You can stand up or dance if you want to. Pick up the ball, please. Okay, the ball has landed. Miss, what is your name? Reina May. Cheers, Reina May. Where are you from? From Guano. Wow, an energy. Okay, you have the chance to choose briefcase. So what would it be? Briefcase number 6. Briefcase. Alright, briefcase number 6 means, how are you feeling today? Good. Good. Okay. Miss a genius resume. Okay, why did you choose number 6?
It's before my favorite number.
Okay, favorite number. Okay. You choose number 6. Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal? Deal. Choose the young challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna challenge or something here. Naimang buhaton, Miss Resume. Are you ready to take the challenge?
Yeah.
Rapid fighting spirit, good boys. Miss Kimberly, open the briefcase.
Wow! Briefcase.
Okay. Repeated reading. Your challenge will be given by Miss Kimberly. So for your own words, what is repeated reading?
So for me, repeated reading is kind of the repetition when you read. So if, for example, if you read like a passage and then after reading the whole passage and then wala ka gid mo nasabtan ang kanang passage na imong gibasa, so you need to repeat again the passage for you to be able to understand what you have read.
Thank you, Miss. You have to add. So repeated reading from the word repeat. So you will repeat the words or the text repeatedly so that you can understand it better. So through repeated reading can improve your comprehension and also your reading fluency. Let's give Arena a round of applause, please. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now let's roll the ball again. My name is Anne Curtis. Now they are studying mga guys. Okay, so where are you from, Miss Anne Curtis? I came from California. California. Okay, from California. Now you have the chance to choose numbers from 1 to 14. Included the number 6 rather. Okay, so now what number
Grabe
do you
mo.
choose? My favorite number 8. Number 8, let's start. Alright. Why did you choose number 8? 8 because 8 is infinity and yes, what a nice description. Yeah. Okay. Deal or no deal? Deal! Okay! Grabe siya, no? Participate today ang mga ng participants karon. So, Miss Miracles choose deal and she will take the challenge. I'm Curtis, so I'm
Ay, kalimti. Tara.
Okay, what an interesting relationship between fluency and comprehension. So there's a relationship between fluency and excuse me. Okay, so there is a relationship between fluency and comprehension because when we speak, it's better to have fluency while you're speaking so that the person will understand what you're trying to say. When it comes to comprehension, it is where you comprehend the message of the story or the person who's telling you the message. So it's better to have fluency to clarify the message being taught and comprehension to understand what they are trying to say and to convey. Thank you, Miss Anne Curtis. What a very nice. Okay, let's roll the ball now.
Macarena. Wow, rena.
Miss, what is your name? Althea. Okay, what a nice name. Where are you from? From Korea. Can you read one phrases of Korean language? 안녕하세요. Okay, Miss Althea, you have the chance to choose numbers. What number would it be? Number 4. Number 4? Come front, please.
Balik sa.
Number 4? What is number 4? Kita kaya, Julie. Okay. So, Miss Althea,
favorite number?
Basta gamit to know, okay, sa mga favorite number. Ganahan na number ka. Ay, na. Okay. Next, yeah. Okay, deal or no deal?
Deal.
Deal! Okay, Miss Philly, open the prayer, please. Okay, losing one's place. Miss Philly will give the challenge to Miss Star.
Okay, Star, so what does losing one's place mean in reading?
So from my own understanding, losing one's place, like, hindi na ko when it comes to reading, hindi na ko focus ka sa story. So you're focusing on the setting story, the setting, introduction, body, o kanang ending niya.
Thank you, Miss Star. Okay, where's the ball? Okay, let's roll.
Di explain.
You want to explain, Miss?
Okay, so losing one's place in reading means students cannot follow correct lines while they are reading, or they will skip lines or read the same line again. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Berlin. Okay, roll the ball.
Ulo, grabe yan. Wala na ikaw ang lubot.
Okay, let's have Miss Nakawai. Okay, what is your name, Miss? I am Star. Oh, Star. What is Star? Okay, your name is Star. From Starla to Star. Okay, no, mga unique ka. No, mga unique elements. English talaga sa Galaxy. Okay, you have the chance to choose a number. What number? I choose number. Number 11.
Wow!
Number 11. Why would you choose number 11? Because I love 1, 2 ones. That's good. Okay, Miss Star. Deal or no deal? Deal. Deal. Okay, Miss Tasty, can we open the briefcase, please? Guided oral reading with feedback. Okay, Miss?
So for you, what is guided oral reading with feedback?
Okay, guided oral reading with feedback is very easy. This is where a student cannot read is guided by a teacher, and after reading, the teacher will give a feedback to a student. Like for example, student after sa class ang student bilis kayo mamabasa sa iba. Ipabilis siya sa teacher, gusto mo kayo sa una. And then after mag-sound siya sa teacher, and then mo give feedback ang teacher, then after like for example, okay, kumawa na ka mabasa, pero much better if mabasa ka kasi yung mga mabasa, kasi yung mga I'm more more. Thank you.
Leg. Ang sakto naman, may karat.
Okay, Miss Mar, do you
Yes, to add on, K-pop should focus on accuracy, expression, and phrasing. Thank you.
Thank you. So where's the ball? Okay, let's roll the ball. Okay, Miss, what is your name?
Angel.
Angel. Angel.
Start up, Angel. Dito na ba? Okay, Miss Angel, you have the chance to choose a number. What are you from? Where are you from?
Japan.
Can you say one of the names of Japan?
Arigato.
Okay, thank you, Miss Angel. So you have the chance to choose. What's the meaning of what you said? Okay, thank you, Miss Angel. So you have the chance to choose. Two is three. Okay. Yes, number three. Which is number three? Why do you choose number three, Miss?
It symbolizes the word country.
Okay, not an internet yet. Okay, Miss, deal or no deal? Okay, Miss, okay, great. Okay, losing. Okay, Angel, so what will happen if a student loses focus while reading?
So for that, if students will lose their focus or his focus while reading, he or she might not understand kay wala na siya focus kung sa iyang ibasa din kasi nagkatagaw yung utok.
Okay, you have to add on. Okay, no. So let's first of all, okay, let's roll the ball. Okay, the ball has landed. Okay, can you sign up? So what is your name?
I'm Janice.
Where are you from?
From Thailand.
Can you say one word in Taiwan?
Kamuta.
Okay, Kapuka.
comprehension.
My gosh, reading fluency not always mean comprehension.
Okay, so we can be fluent even though that we don't know if it's grammatically correct. But if there is comprehension, you can be fluent. There is no you can be fluent, but there you can if there is.
Okay, no.
Physically speaking, you can be fluent, but you can't achieve comprehension.
Miss Janice, do you have naka-i-add on this?
So not getting to the point because some students are kanang may kimubasa smooth and fast, but they don't understand the main idea of the text.
You give a round of applause, please. Okay. Now where's the ball? Wait, I didn't play the music yet. Okay. Okay, Miss, I see that you're the last one to hold the ball. What is your name?
Jen. Okay, Jen.
Where are you from?
India.
Miss Jane, you have the chance to choose a number.
One.
What? From one.
Turn.
Okay, number one. Miss Jen. Deal or no deal? Deal. Okay. Miss J, have any open book? Okay, fluency reading.
And my question is, in your own words, define fluency in reading. In your own words, define fluency reading.
In your own words, define fluency reading.
So, fluency reading is kanang wasa ka o kanang pas-pas then sakto ang pagstorya sa words.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jin. Do you have to add? Okay, that's me.
So to add on Janelle's answer, so fluency reading means being able to read the words correctly at a right speed and with proper expression. So fluency reading has three parts, which is accuracy, range, and prosody. So accuracy means reading the words right, and rate means reading the words at the right speed, meaning reading it not too fast or not too slow. And prosody means reading the words with feelings and meaning. So in short, fluency reading is not just about reading fast. It's about reading the words with feelings and meaning.
Okay, thank you, Miss Gia. So we're at the ball. Let's roll the ball. Okay, sir. What is your name?
Thailand bread. Inja.
So my name is Glenn. Yes, Glenn.
Miss
Konti contigo. Bakit? Bakit?
Okay, bakit? So, Mr. Glenn, you have the chance to choose a number. Okay, what number do you pick?
So, wala akong favorite number. Okay, so, I choose number 10.
Number 10. Okay, Miss Gia, Okay, Mr. Glenn, how did you choose number 10?
Perfect.
Perfect 10. Ang gagay. Jesus, ang gagawin. Mr. Glenn, Mr. Glenn, deal or no deal?
No deal.
No deal. Okay, sorry, Miss Gia. Now you have a chance, one chance only to choose another number. Okay, what would it be?
My birthday, 13.
13. Okay, Miss Tasby. Okay, since you choose number 13, why did you change your mind?
Perfect.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Okay, Mr. Dean, deal or no deal? Deal. Okay, Miss Dusty, tell me all the Okay, readers theater. Okay, Miss Dusty.
For you, what is Reader's Theater?
What is read?
So for you, what is Reader's Theater?
For you, what is readers theater?
Okay, for me, so, for me lang is, this is the place where the readers want to read, like, sila gusto mong magbasa, or it refers to the place itself.
Thank you, Mr. Glenn. Do you have answers?
Okay, so Reader's Theater is a reading activity where students perform as free by reading aloud with expression and understanding without the memorizing lines.
Thank you, Miss. Okay. First of all, roll the ball. Miss. Okay, Miss, what is your name?
Jessie J.
Jessie J. I see your name. What are sample?
Jessie J.
Feel ako ang kambal ni Jessie J. Example ba sila, Miss? Kasi mga Janaki. Kabahado na siya, Miss. Okay, sample. Sample? Ayaw makakata. Sa kanta or sayaw? Sayaw! Is you a flashlight? Oh. Okay, Miss. Where are you from, by the way?
Probably from the Queen City of the South.
Mexico City. You have the chance to choose your number. Number 12. Okay, number 12.
Isa.
Okay. Number 12. Okay, why did you choose a number 12?
Number 12 because this is the day that my mom was giving birth to me.
Okay, Miss. Deal or no deal?
Let's take a challenge. No deal. No deal.
another. Number 9. Number 9. Okay. So why did you choose number 9? This is not being biased, but she's my best friend. Hey, no tila bismillah. Okay, so miss, deal or no deal? This time it's deal. Deal. Okay. Miss Kimberly, open the book, please. Okay. Forgetting what has been read.
So this is my question. So why do we sometimes forget what we read?
Sometimes, we forget what we read. Siguro nagdepende sa instances like, for example, mabasa ka diha, mabasa lang ka for the sake of, just say, for example, nag-study ka, dili lang mo siya sabton ba, so parang inana ka ng cases kay malintan dyan yung mga ibasa kay wala yung isod sa imong heart. Wala siya, dili dyan siya with the heart. Ibasa ka pero wala ilang mo siya isabot. Okay, thank you. Okay, wala na i-answer. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. Okay, what number have we? Number 14, number 7, number 10, number 12. Okay, so where's the ball? Okay. Okay, Miss. What is your name?
Irish.
Irish. Are you from Ireland? Where are you from? Japan. Unati kay kabart diri ay. Kay kabart. Okay. Since nihatagod siya one word, okay, ikaw, say one word na nasa question. So, shuri ko na
Banuan daw. Sinihin ko na yun. Good evening daw.
evening na sa iyong pananaw kung kay General. Sige, Miss, you have the chance to choose a number.
Si Perlin.
Okay. Kuya, wala ba sa mga tao mo nililawin? Kuya, wala mo. Nice something. Natikon mo sa ikil kay busy ka, kay mawala po. Okay, kuhaan na lang. Kuhaan na lang.
Number 12. Okay, ipasok ko na si Ito. Wow! Si Ito. Okay. Miss Irish, why did you choose number 12?
12? December pa po ko lang gi-erase. So, wala siya 12.
Nagawin natin ang meaning mo, pero sige lang. Okay. Miss Irish, deal or no deal?
No deal.
Okay, no deal. Thank you, Miss Joyce. Now you have a chance to choose another number.
14.
Number 14.
Irish!
Oh. Okay, since you choose number 14, and no other chances, so you will. Okay, pwede na choose. So,
Hindi ko sa inyo. Pero hindi ko sa iyo. Pwede yung sa steps lang. Step there.
you can call a friend.
Wala friend ay ha? Si Koan. Pwede duha? Friends, pwede si Jasmine o si Hazel?
Let's hold on. Miss Jasmine and Miss Hazel. Come here down, please. Okay.
Alam niyo.
Play the music. Sit down, please. Another beat.
Simple lang na
Okay, with energy, bigyan mo ka na ng kung ano makakit. Thank you very much. If I finish, roll the ball.
Since I'm addicted, don't give me one look on me. My good eye, I take my video,
Okay, miss nga naka-jacket o black. Nagtulo na lang ka number ato i-choose. What is your name? Harry. Where are you from? Indonesia. Ayaw, sige, miss. Choose a number. 7. 7. Number 7. Why do you choose number 7, please?
Because I believe that number 7 is my lucky number.
Lucky number. Okay, miss. Deal or no?
Deal.
Deal. Okay, miss, right? Can we open the birthdays? Model Florence reading. Okay, miss.
So for you, what is model Florence reading?
I think from the word model, so it is where I think our guide, just like for example, how do we pronounce the word appropriate, right? So in that we're going to find something like someone na kaibaw kung sa pag kung ano pronounce then mas makaibaw na ba? Model na ito.
Thank you, Miss Curtis. Or thank you, add on.
So thank you, Miss Ariel. So to add on, Miss Ariel, so we got model Florence reading is we have teacher strategy. We're a teacher. When a teacher read the text aloud to show the students what good reading is. So instead of focusing and speak, so the teacher demonstrate a proceeding. So when a students hear a fluent reader, so they begin to internalize it, the pattern, and apply this for their own reading. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Joyce. So where's the ball? Roll the ball. Where are you from?
Korea.
Korea! Okay, sisihatag ang sa silang phrases. Ikaw, ma'am. Have word. One word in Korean language.
Anhoseo.
Apa naman in Miss Althea? Okay, another one.
Chibon po.
Mas ba daw? Chiban. Oh, I think that is a bad word. So, we end up with translate. Okay, mag-Gigi lang naman. Chiban. Okay, no, grabe, mag-piso nga dyan kayo siya. Magpaso ko mo rin na siya napilihan. Gusto po ka, ma'am? Wala? Wala. Dahil, ma'am? Okay. Ma'am, do you have a chance to choose a number? Why did you choose number 12?
Kailangan siya ito dahil akong birthday kay Jilson.
Oh, nasa ko kayo birthday na ito. Okay. Miss. Ready ka ka sa ready? Masay na isudya? Okay, Miss. Decision? Deal or no deal?
Deal!
Okay. Deal. Okay, Miss. Yeah, no deal. Okay, Miss. Miss. Since you choose number 12 and you say deal, you want to take a challenge, no? So, grabe na, kira-kira, no? Sige, Miss. Miss. Miss Joyce, open the briefcase. That's your favorite movie line. Okay, choose favorite mo na line. I-acting mo. Nati mo partner, Miss.
Yeah. Ulo, pati. Movie line, sis.
Yes, and I love Ruby Siri.
Ay, Roka, ali, Roka.
Okay, since last naman is Miss Gia, or Za. Step Za. Take lang. Oh, it's a correct place kasi tago sa out-release on civil.
Ay, acting na lang, acting.
Since last naman, ipa-open mo Okay, tuyok yapon daw ang bola. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Number 2, Mr. Zara.
Baliktad, wala pa rin sunod.
Ikaw, sir, taga-asang ka?
I'm from India.
India.
Mekos.
So, taga-India siya. Sa puli kami, marang mga survey kay mga gwapo nga taga-India. Yeah, okay. Now, since last number, a favorite word, sige.
Tornado.
Okay, since number 10 is the last number, okay? Wala tanong yung ni Kai. Nasa na siya. Okay, Miss Gia. Last. Number 10. Ihapan na natin. Okay, thank you. Number 10, open the brace. Okay, brace reading. Okay,
So, define, in your own words, define what is phrase reading.
So, in my opinion, phrase reading is kanang mag-read siya sa sentences lang like one. She is beautiful. And next phrase is he is handsome.
And one on what is praise reading. So for me, the teacher is giving one praise to the student or one praise to the student will read it and analyze to comprehend what he is reading. That's what praise reading.
thank you, Mr.
So, praise reading means grouping the words into phrases instead of each word at a time. So, this means the readers can easily understand the sentence and understand the sentence correctly.
Okay, thank you, Miss Gia. So, geniuses around the world, you've proven that fluency is fun, creative, and powerful. Whatever you sang, dance, acted, or read, you showed us that great fluency leads to comprehension, and that's the real jackpot. Thank you for playing Deal or No Deal. Until next time, keep reading, keep shining.
Lo. It's time to zoom the face.
Okay, congratulations, group 2. Since it's almost time, everyone, I'll just give you the rest and then the feedback will be after all the presentation. Okay? Then I'm going to review
Just ang lubot.
the